Hey Team Blossom, welcome back to Blossom University. Today's course, of course, is our DIY Pearl and Rhinestone black shorts. So this is a super easy class. You just need a pearl applique that I purchased from Amazon, which had rhinestones on them. It was exactly 2 yards, which was perfect for what I needed. So I started by using my E6000 and I put them at the bottom of the shorts, and then I just glue the beginning of the rhinestone chain, and then you see me in gaps apply the glue. I was actually going to sew the rhinestones on after I glued it, but I was really shocked at how well the glue actually held the rhinestone applique, so I went back in after I shot this video, and where the gaps were where the glue is, I filled them in with the E6000. So again, you see me repeat. And these are my Forever 21 shorts I got years ago, honestly. They're size medium. So that kind of gives you, I guess, an idea of how much yarding you need. You really need to measure your thighs and the shorts to see how much rhinestones you need, especially when you wear them, because at some point they're going to have to stretch and flex. So here I'm just adjusting the size of the rhinestone, and then I'm going to add some rhinestones to the top of the shorts, which I figure would, finish the look and make it look super cute. So I used the last of the rhinestones that I had, and I only used it in the front, which I think was perfect for these shorts, and voila, we're done. So I have several different looks that I'm going to wear with these shorts, which I'm about to show you. So let's see. So the first look is this pearl bustier, which I think would be cute. Look how sparkly these shorts are. Aren't they so gorgeous? I absolutely love them. And they were super easy to make. Again, like I said, this chain was from Amazon. So can't get any cuter than this. I probably wear this to like a barbecue, but if I had an event that is like a lot more dressier, this shirt that I have has like pearls and stones on it, and then I have another white shirt that has rhinestone chain on it as well, which I think would be a cute look if I wanted to do something a bit more classier or formal. So I'm going to try on the pearl bustier. So this is the final look, and I absolutely love it. In the light, the shorts definitely sparkle. I think that they're cute. They kind of go in under the booty, but I think it's cute. It doesn't like hurt or anything like that, and I absolutely love it. So right now I'm pairing my shorts with this little pearl bustier. I thought that would be cute. So they go well together, and I'm not sure when I'm gonna wear this, but I'll probably definitely be wearing this at some point. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more of my content by subscribing to my channel and also turning on your notifications. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Mwah. Blossoming Jasmine. So this is how it looks, guys. What do you think?